Okay, now that we are now in our C panel, now we are going to be installing the WordPress, and we are going to be using Substaculous installer. Yes, we are going to be using Substaculous installer. What is this Substaculous installer? This Substaculous installer is a software that make it easier for you to install WordPress. Yes, you know, before, if you want to install WordPress, you have to download WordPress software first. But now with this stuff, Subtaculous installer, you can install your WordPress with just a click. Yes, just it is automatically. So everything will be done automatically. So one click installer is a one click installer, automatic update, backup and restore. So all these things is what you have. So you are going to see that in your C panel. So is listed under software. So let me click on it. Substaculous is app installer. So I click on it right now. So the next thing you have to do, you see WordPress and you see other things that you can install, but we are focusing on WordPress for now. So you click on install. Yes. Now you have to be careful because this is where you have to be very, very careful. The install, you have to select your domain. Remember, you have bought domain. You have bought domain. So you have to select your domain carefully. Select your domain. You know your domain. I have a lot of domain in this place, so I have to be careful with the domain I want to use. Yes. So you have to select your domain. Okay, so let me select my domain. I've already registered the domain. Something B. I have a lot of domain, please. Uh, but if you register your own, you only have one domain, so that's why my own is just a lot of domain. It's here, so I have to be careful the domain I want to install it. Okay, I've seen it. Yeah, this is the domain I want to use. So this is my domain. So the next thing you have to do is to delete this WP. Yes, so that it will just enter direct into the domain. Yes. So we are using the latest WordPress, which is 6.9. So scroll down. This is your admin. Make sure you don't change this admin. Just leave it like that. This is your, later you can change it. This is your admin password. So it's talking about site description and it's just leave it like that. I'm going to work on it. So the next thing you have to do is to click on install quick. Yeah, quick installer. So click on quick installer and click, when you click on quick installer, the next thing you have to do is custom install. Yes, you just click on it. Click on install here. Yes, click on install. So it's going to install. It's going to install. It's installing right now. Checking the submitted data. So it's installing. 3 to 4 minutes. Our WordPress installation is up. So this is just installation, and this is where we are on the installation. Yes, we're on the installation. So installing WordPress, a content management system, CMS. So using to build and manage website easily. So we have logged in into our hosting, open the cPanel, click on the Subtaculous software, click on WordPress, and we click on install. And we have set our admin and password. So let's see how our installation look like. This is it: cPanel, Subtaculous, and WordPress. Yes. So every admin will be slash admin. Yes, not like that, because look at it here. Slash WP admin. This is your admin. Let's open your admin, because every work we are going to do will be done from this admin now, from the admin. It's going to be from the admin. Then this is your WordPress, as you can see, empty. This is your WordPress, it's empty. You see, we are just starting. Then this is your admin. This is your admin page. Admin page. Yeah, this is your admin page. So in our next tutorial, we are going to be looking at how we can now start designing our WordPress and understand all these features here, all these tools. We are going to understand it and we design a very lucrative and beautiful website. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you subscribe. The subscription will help this channel a lot. Yes, it will help. So have a nice day.